First of all, I am Ranjit. I am completed full stack development course at Maraimalai branch. So my trainee told me to do some project. I done a TikTok toy project. I explain this project. First, we have to install a React new folder, and then we create a React library. So and then we have to type this. So then first is for the div container, main div container, and then classified into three parts: title, board, and reset button. So in the title we have to type the title, and in the board we contain the boxes. We split up into 3 rows, and each rows contain 3 columns, and then we have to design this in CSS. This is a CSS design. It is very simple only. You can see it, you can easily understand.